Imagine getting personalized for your own success. Every time you make a sale, capture a new lead, or grow your audience, a silent invisible middleman takes a cut of your profit. I'm talking about Zapier, Make.com, and Pabbly. If you are running a WordPress business right now, you are probably trapped in the automation rent cycle. You are paying 30, 50, or even hundreds of dollars every single month just to handle workflows that should happen inside your own site. Look at this. Every time a customer buys a digital product from you or submits a form, that data actually leaves your WordPress site. It travels to Zapier's external servers, gets processed, and then comes back. Think about that for a second. That is literally like paying a middleman to deliver messages between rooms in your own house. It's insane, right? Not only are you paying for this privilege, but you have zero control. If their servers go down, your business stops selling. If they change their API limits, your workflows breaks overnight. And worse, your customers' private data is passing through third-party servers you don't control. But what if that data never had to leave your website in the first place? Welcome to my deep dive review of WPZap. Today we are looking at a native automation engine built entirely inside WordPress. No monthly fees, no external dependencies. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what it replaces, and why this one-time payment of $19 might be the most important investment you make for your digital business this year. But I have to warn you, there is a catch with tools like this, and I'll reveal exactly what it is before the end of this video so you don't get burned. Let's dive in. To understand why WPZap is disrupting the market, you need to understand the architecture. Look at this diagram. Traditional tools operate on external servers, which takes 5 to 15 minutes to run, and they cost you for task. WPZap sites inside your WordPress dashboard. The second an event happens, a WooCommerce order, a new user registration, or a contact form submission, the automation fires instantly on your own server. Instant execution, zero task counting. Your one time payment covers hundreds orders or 10,000 orders. Your costs stay flat while you scale. Now, let's talk firepower. Does it actually connect to the tools you use? Yes. Out of the box, it connects to over 100 and premium integrations. WooCommerce, Contact Form 7, ActiveCampaign, Google Sheets, Slack, MemberPhrase. All the heavy hitters are here. But wait, what if you are heavily into SaaS affiliate marketing or selling unique digital products and you need to connect to a weird, obscure software that isn't on this list? This brings me to my absolute favorite feature, Webhooks. A webhook allows your WordPress site to connect to any app on the internet, even if it's not on the integration list. Custom CRMs, specialized SaaS tools, AI generators. If it exists on the web, a webhook can talk to it. Now, listen closely. Uncanny Automator, one of the biggest WordPress automation plugins out there, charges $149 every single year just for this feature alone. Zapier includes them but cost $30 plus a month. WPZap includes it in the one-time cost. This alone pays for the plugin 10 times over. But automation is useless if it isn't smart. Not every automation should run the same way every time. WPZap includes conditional logic. Let's say you sell high ticket digital products. You can build a flow that says if someone buys your 500 course, then send them the premium welcome kit. Or if someone checks I need this urgently on your contact form, then notify you via Slack immediately. This is enterprise level smart routing built with a simple visual drag and drop builder. Zero coding required. If you can connect dots, you can automate your business. So, if you are willing to get this deal and take control of your workflows, do check out the official website from the first link in the description box below. And here is the best part. If you purchase from my link, I'm going to provide you with a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase, and I'll send you the bonus right away. That's it. Link is in the description. Now, let's look at the ultimate safety net, Auto-Retries. If you have used external platforms, you know the pain of a failed task. An API times out, the automation fails, and you lose a lead. WPZap has an auto-retry system. If there is an internet hiccup, WPZap simply retries again automatically until it works. You can see exactly what ran and what data was passed in the execution logos right inside the WordPress. Look at this comparison table here. When you stack WPZap up against Zapier and Uncanny Automator, it becomes a nano-brainer. Unlimited task limits, your server location, zero monthly cost. Zapier will run you $360 plus a year. Uncanny is $149 a year. WPZap is a one-time fraction of that. So, who is this actually for? If you are a WooCommerce store owner, this stops you from being taxed for your success. Whether you process hundreds order or 10,000 orders, your cost stays one time. If you are a course creator using LearnDash, this eliminates that 15-minute delay where your student buys a course, can't log in, and you don't know until they email you. With WPZap, purchase happens, access is granted instantly, and the welcome email fires immediately. If you are an affiliate marketer or blogger, you hit publish once and your post automatically goes to Twitter, LinkedIn, and your email list. Remember earlier when I said there was a catch? Here it is. The catch is the pricing model. When competitors are charging $300 plus per year for similar features, a one-time price sounds too good to be true. The developers are offering this as an one-time payment right now because this is their public launch. They want to get this into the hands of 10,000 WordPress users who are tired of being overcharged to build case studies and testimonials. But software of this caliber requires ongoing updates. It's economically impossible to stay at $19 forever. The price will rise and you don't want to wait until they increase the price to a recurring subscription. Right now, you have two paths. Path 1, keep paying Zapier or Make.com every month. Keep watching your bill grows as you scale and keep your customers' data at risk. Path 2, pay once, on your automation forever, and there is a zero risk. They offer a 30-day it just works guarantee. You can literally buy it today, install it, build a conditional logic flow, and if you don't feel like you just install a $300 per year tool for the price of a pizza, you get your money back, no hassles. To grab WPZap at this inclusive one-time launch price and claim my free bonus, click the fast link in the description below right now. Do not wait and end up paying a monthly subscription for this later. Now, saving money on your own business is great. We will love cutting expenses. But what if I told you that you could take this exact same plugin and instead of just saving money, you could use it to completely replace your income? Because WPZap has no foresight monthly fees, there is a massive opportunity right now to offer automation as a service to other business owners who are still stuck in the dark ages. If you want to know another method, how I made a recurring income stream, literally charging clients $500 a month for something that takes 60 seconds to set up, click on the video that is flashing on your screen right now. Make $500 per month with this plugin, WPZap Advanced Review. I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you the exact lazy agency blueprint. Click that video and I'll see you over there.